Hey everyone, if you want to use Miro for remote work in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to collaborate, manage tasks, and work with your team from anywhere using Miro. First, Miro is perfect for remote teams because it allows real-time collaboration, visual planning, and easy communication in one shared workspace. Start by logging into Miro and creating a new board or opening an existing one for your remote project. Click the Share button and invite your remote team members using email or a shareable link. Choose whether your team members can view, comment, or edit the board depending on their role. Remote teams can work together live, add sticky notes, update tasks, and brainstorm ideas at the same time. Use templates like Kanban boards, roadmaps, and mind maps to organize remote work more efficiently. Use comments, mentions, and reactions to communicate without leaving the board. Move tasks across boards and track progress visually using Kanban or timeline views. You can use Miro during remote meetings to brainstorm, plan, and present ideas visually. For better remote teamwork, use clear labels, assign tasks properly, and keep boards organized. A common mistake is overloading the board with too many elements, which makes remote collaboration confusing. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Miro for remote work in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.